Can I use aquaponics to grow veggies? Using aquaponics to grow your veggies is an excellent and an amazing way to really grow. Not only are we growing food fast, it's healthy. There's no chemicals, nothing at all like that in our aquaponics system. So aquaponics is growing fish and vegetables together in the same integrated system. Simply put, aquaponics is an ecosystem. We're using the fish waste to provide fertiliser for our veggies, and our veggies filter the water for the fish. So what that means is that in this beautiful little ecosystem, which is simply replicating nature in a smaller system, we are growing lots and lots of veggies. But here's the best part about aquaponics. Aquaponics grows veggies 4 times faster and uses 10 times less water. And you're probably sitting there going, how is that possible? You've got a fish tank filled with fish and water constantly flowing through. Well, that's the whole point, is the water is in a contained environment. Okay, so it's an ecosystem, but it's a contained ecosystem. So the water's not in a lake, or the water's not in a river or a creek or the ocean in those ecosystems. It is more like in a lake or in a man-made swamp area. The water itself is contained. So we've got it in these containers. So I've got my grow bed and my fish tank up the back that you can't see, and a solid separator, so different filters and things like that happening. But it's all stuck in this little design. So this little ecosystem in a 3 by 3 meter area in this particular case. And because the water is constantly cycling through, so constantly moving around from the fish tank into the filters, into the grow bed, which is a big filter, back into the sump, which is where all the water catches, and then it pumps it back into the fish tank. This is a larger system, but you can have smaller systems. But because it's constantly recycling around, the veggies have constant water and constant fertilizer, while our fish have constantly clean water because the water is continuously moving out. So as it's cycling through our system, cycling through the ecosystem, our veggies are growing faster and healthier. And we can't have any form of chemical in there because that will kill the fish. So it becomes organic. And you can do this in your backyard, in your courtyard, inside, in your spare room. I have 5 aquaponic systems in my dining room because I have aquariums there, and rather than doing water exchanges, I'm choosing to have aquaponic systems on top and make the most and get the most veggies I can. Garage, basement, greenhouse, hothouse. Depends on your environment and your climate, but aquaponics is one of the best ways of growing our food. It's sustainable, it's environmentally friendly, it is an ecosystem. We are replicating nature, just putting it into a small little man-made system. That's all we're doing. We're taking nature and we're putting it into a small little design to grow lots of veggies. I can eat my fish if I want. I have a small little barrel aquaponic system powered by goldfish. I have one that's powered by guppies. We have all of these options. Aquaponics does not have to be a huge commercial venture. You can have food security in your own backyard with aquaponics. Aquaponics is not only the way of the future, but it is the best way of having food security for yourself in your own backyard. And as you can see, we're growing loads of veggies in a small space.